This year, we are starting to use a new program called Market Spread. This is online and can be found at www.marketspread.com. When you go to this website, you will see that you will be able to create a vendor profile, and that is where you will start. Click on this point and you will be able to choose the type of vendor you are, which means if you're a home-based vendor, produce vendor, or a craft type vendor, there's several other options available. Your vendor information will then be inputted and you will be able to create your own vendor profile and dashboard. On the left, you will have links to different items that you can use to help maintain your products and sales. We're starting with products. Click there to be able to add products to your list. You'll click add, and that will offer a chance for you to add a name, category, type, any keywords you'd like to use, a description of your product, and when that product is available for you at the market. Your resale products will only be used for 15% of the total products that you are selling at the market. Be sure to look at the handbook guidelines for this rule. We are only allowing for 15% of your products to be from outside of the county and not specifically grown or made by you. For example, if you were to buy Jackson County watermelons and sell those again at the market, that would be a resale product. You would also need to have a sign at your vendor booth letting people know that that is not a local product. You can also add additional product photos to give your customers a better idea of what might be available. Once you have put together your product list, you can go back and configure what that product has as far as inventory and a price. You'll click on the name of the product and then click on Add Configuration. Here you'll add the name. You can add different varieties within one particular product, or you can change the type of measurement, whether it's in bulk or individual packaging, how many you have available in that inventory, and give it a price. You'll notice that it has a memo of no price to be shown for the configuration because the online selling cannot be enabled. At this point, the program online is not allowing for online sales, so I would suggest you put a price after the name so your customers are able to see that total price. Once you're done with those, you'll need to apply to a market. So you'll go to applications and find a market. There you will apply to the Fred Kamick Corydon Farmers Market. Through here, you're going to be given a agreement for the market handbook. You will need to upload a vendor application. For those who have already handed in an application, please upload a document from Word that says that you have already given us a copy of your application for 2021. We will then be able to look at the products that you have already uploaded, and you will be able to select which booth space you would prefer and which, if you need the extra insurance from the town of Corydon. There is a layout available, so you don't have to guess at what number you were in last year. It is set up exactly the same, and you just need to look at the layout to select which space you would like to have. From here, we're going to be able to see what you have uploaded, and that will help with your inventory, or rather your invoice. You'll see here it does say in orange, not created, and a total of $155. Don't worry, we have not approved this particular application, and so it's giving us a total of all options for vendor membership fees within our application. Once we have approved your application and products, we then can choose what type of application you would like to have, meaning full season or partial season, and if you need the extra insurance added. Then we will be able to send you an invoice for your specific amount. We will then be able to see what days you have asked to be scheduled at the market, and we will assign you your market space. Of course, we'll try our best to keep you in the same place, but if you do not come to the market 2 consecutive weeks in a row without notifying a market manager, we do have the option of moving you to a different space if we've got somebody needing your particular vendor booth and has been coming to the market. Please take a chance to go through and look at market spread. Use this, and hopefully this is a great way for you to bring your products out to your customers, and we will be able to offer pre-orders online and make it safe and healthy for everyone this year. You do again have that option to make a payment for your vendor application online at Market Spread once you are approved. If you do not choose to pay via credit card, you certainly can still send cash or check to Angel Frizzell at Main Street, and please make those checks out to Main Street, Corydon. If you have any more questions about market spread or about this season's market, please don't hesitate to contact us. Angel at Main Street, Miranda at Purdue Extension, and Katie Davidson, our new County Wellness Coordinator, who is also with Purdue Extension. Thanks for watching.